Moro Moro.
Come on, man.
So what brings you this morning here?
We love culture. We're here. We're supporting cultural activities. Me, a typical bandero. I'm with my people. This is Namibia, and we love culture. So we're here to support our people and to bring the bikes over and to say, no, biking, it's also our thing.
It's your culture.
It's our culture. I used to tell my people that apparently it's horses, so it's a different horsepower. That's how you measure the power of a bike, it's horsepower. So we bring the horses, the iron horses, to cultural events so that
as much as people talk about tourism, they never talk about bike tourism.
Yeah.
And how bike can engage in cultural activities, community outreach, charity work, and so on. So we are here just to support our sisters. It's some people say a tribal, but it's really cultural.
It's cultural, actually.
Cultural exercise. And then Damara dress that they display.